This is the Charles Daly 20 gauge, and we're going to be shooting it and practicing for turkey season upcoming. And yeah.
And now your grandma's going to go back up here so you can show her.
Let you show us. Grab one.
Make sure your safety's on.
Put the brass this way. Put that in there. Pull it up. Pump it. How much should I do?
Just one.
Okay, just one.
What the heck?
Okay.
Just one.
Yeah, so put it up.
You got.
Okay. Now, push this button over. Now it's ready to shoot. Pump it.
You hit it.
There you go.
Well, the hickey ain't open.
You pump it. Pull back. Pump it. Pump it.
What'd it feel like?
Feel good? You gotta hold it tight, okay?
Hold it tight to your shoulder.
You put tape in. Yep. Put it up to your shoulder.
She wants to go turkey
pull it
hunting
down
this
into
year,
your
so
shoulder.
she has to learn how to shoot a shotgun.
No. Safety. Right here. Alright, hold it tight to your shoulder. Pull it to you. There you go. There you go. Now
Did I
pump
hit
it.
it?
Huh?
Did I hit it?
Yeah, pump it.
Got it.
There you go.
What gun you loading now?
This is my 12 gauge semi-automatic. Loading 2 in here.
Go shoot that one.
We gotta let you shoot
Go
this.
take a shot on that one.
Come on, come
We'll
here.
see why you
Come
want
here.
why you want to use a 20 gauge. Oh, we got to fix the target.
Start with my guns. How do you like it? Pretty nice?
Good.
I know, right? My
Okay,
baby.
let's put up another target.
Hold on, let me... There's no choke in this. That's why it has such a bad spatter. We're shooting 3
Look
out
at
of
that
it.
one. Yeah, this is a nice one. Which gun are you shooting again? 12 gauge.
Huh? Huh?
12 gauge.
Yeah, 12 gauge.
We had to change the target again.
This one's...
Alright, so this shot, shoot one time, we'll look at it, make sure, see what it's hitting like.
Yeah.
Pull it tight.
That's just gonna be aiming at the wrong.
Safety. Okay.
Hit the wrong target.
I
Put
think I
it back
missed.
on safety. You got
hit
another
the wrong
round?
target.
Huh?
You're supposed to hit the one at
No,
that
she
time.
hit it.
Huh?
I could see she hit it. Let's walk up and look.
Yeah, hold on. Don't load that. Hey,
What?
don't load it. We're gonna go see what you hit.
Oh, it's not that bad.
You hit it low. Plenty of BBs though.
Pretty good.
Did I hit it?
You hit bottom.
Oh.
You need to hit higher.
I need to aim a little higher.
A little higher.
Yep, aim a little bit higher.
And in the middle more. Yeah, that was a good one there. That's a good one.
Yeah, I'd say you killed it.
Yeah, but I
Dead
didn't hit
bird
its
right
head.
there.
Huh?
It's a dead bird right there.
I didn't hit it in the head.
Stand up there.
Why?
Look at the camera. So you think that shotgun's good for you for turkey season?
Sure, I'll get it.
Tell them how you like it.
I love it.
I'll kill that bird.
Are you going to get a turkey with it?
Yep.
Okay.
Better be.
Thanks for watching, everybody.